About this item: compatible for Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 240mm model, 1.2-inch display, Wi-Fi/LTE, SMR835F, SMR835U, SMR830. Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 244mm model, 1.4-inch display, Wi-Fi/LTE, SMR825F, SMR825U, SMR820. Galaxy Watch 341mm versions, SMR855F, SMR855U, SMR850, Wi-Fi only, 41mm size, 1.2 display. Samsung Galaxy Watch 345mm versions, SMR845F, SMR845U, SMR840, Wi-Fi only, 45mm size, 1.4 display, 100% quality inspection before delivery. Instructions: please confirm you can install by yourself. We will not be responsible for any damages to your cell phone that you may cause during the changing of replacement parts. Package 1. Galaxy Watch Active 2 back rear lens glass, 1 back glass lens adhesive tape with tool. Amazon delivery. You'll get it soon in the description.